Welcome to Whitech's webinar series on analytics-driven insight. My name is Ali Kralamum. I'm the Chief Product Officer at Whitech, responsible for Whitech's product portfolio. I'm excited to talk about how insurance organizations can unlock business value via analytics-driven insight throughout the insurance lifecycle. Jeff Goldberg at Novarica believes that data will play a major role in hyper-personalizing insurance. Jeff also believes that data from multiple sources, combined with artificial intelligence and machine learning, can dramatically enhance consumer analytics, resulting in better customer servicing. Gartner, in its 2020 CIO survey, cited that intelligent insurers use data and analytics to support business operations and transformation. We are seeing that today, data and analytics has become a primary driver of business strategy, and that the global COVID-19 pandemic has been an accelerant for digital transformation and data-driven business. Gartner's annual predictions highlight the importance of data and analytics in all types of business and IT initiatives. Here are some predictions from Gartner's 2021 report. By 2023, overall analytics adoption will increase from 35% to 50%, driven mostly by vertical and domain-specific augmented analytics solutions. The report also cited that by 2024, 70% of enterprises will use cloud and cloud-based AI infrastructure to implement artificial intelligence, thereby significantly alleviating concerns about integration and upscaling. By 2025, 80% of data and analytics governance initiatives focus on business outcomes rather than data standards will be considered essential business capabilities. And lastly, by 2023, 60% of organizations will compose components from 3 or more analytics solutions to build business applications that are infused with analytics, that seamlessly connect insights to real-time actions and fulfillment processes. Novarica also cited 3 primary levers for unleashing value with data and analytics. First lever is using data and analytics to sell more. Analytics technology can enable insurers to serve new segments that were previously unreachable, unprofitable, or unknown. Other ways that data can help carriers sell more is by introducing better products, improving speed to market, and ensuring product freshness. Next lever is using data and analytics to manage risk better. And the number one way to manage risk is to improve pricing and risk selection. Carriers are using predictive scoring and analytics to supplement underwriting and claims processes, which improves their underwriting and understanding of risk. Technology is helping insurers move past underwriting and towards targeting specific markets. In addition, one way to manage risk better is to reduce losses and improve anomaly detection and fraud. And next lever is using data and analytics to reduce operating costs. Insurers can improve profitability by avoiding cost and increasing productivity. Although technology often creates operating efficiencies and productivity gains, it can be difficult for IT leaders to get credit for cost savings unless there are actual hard dollar savings, typically through staff cuts. Let's drill down now into some of the key use cases throughout the insurance lifecycle. Data and analytics, again, have been successfully deployed to generate top-line growth. And here are some common use cases for growing premium and improving the overall sales experience. First is pre-underwriting. So this is using internal and third-party customer data to target based on probable risk and provide indication of premium upfront. Next is analytics-driven targeting by using analytics to identify customers with unique characteristics and to tailor marketing to those customers. Retention and upsell modeling by using analytics to predict which customers are retention risks based on demographic, accounts, and behavioral indicators. And rule-based offer guidance to guide distributors to best fit products. And again, this is done by analyzing data provided or third-party data that's ingested. Most carriers today are conducting performance reporting to manage risk. And here are some other more proactive ways of improving the loss ratio. First is predictive claims severity scoring. So this is analytics using internal and third-party data to predict the severity of claims and to drive adjusting method and reserving. Next is predictive claims fraud scoring, which is analytics using internal and third-party data to proactively identify fraudulent claims. Book of business impact model, where analytics is used to identify the potential impact of each risk and aggregate exposure across the entire book of business. Predictive underwriting scoring, which is the use of underwriting scores based on real-time individual analysis of both internal and external data that insurers have for each risk. Underwriters and adjuster productivity is another area where there's a lot of opportunities for improvement via data and analytics. For example, claims skill-based routing focus on auto-assignment of incoming risks to specific adjusters based on claim characteristics, skills match, capacity, and other factors. Claim straight-through processing, where incoming claims are auto-adjusted, scored, and sent for review or referred for manual adjusting. Quick quotes with minimal data focus on providing an initial offer or rejecting the risk based on key data points, again, supplemented with third-party data and predictive models that operate on that data. And lastly, underwriting straight-through processing, where incoming risks are auto-underwritten, scored and sent for review or referred for manual underwriting. Let me switch gears now and describe how Whitech's Velocity platform unleashes the value of data and analytics throughout the insurance lifecycle. Velocity is Whitech's cloud-native administration, engagement, and analytics platform. It offers a unified and fully integrated core administration, digital engagement, data and analytics, and artificial intelligence set of services and capabilities. In terms of technology, Velocity is a cloud-native platform which is designed to take full advantage of AWS cloud and its underlying services. It is modular and componentized, and the business application layer in Velocity is made of domain-specific as well as enterprise-wide microservices. Velocity subscribes to an API-first design principle. We have over 26,000 API methods and growing. And Velocity's digital experiences are designed to be responsive and adaptive. They're device and channel agnostic and fully accessible. And Velocity applications, because they run on natively on AWS, they're elastic and scalable. And by leveraging the underlying capabilities of Amazon Web Services, Velocity is delivering solutions that are highly secure, scalable, and resilient. And lastly, with Velocity's data lake, artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, we are enabling analytics as a service, which can be embedded across the entire insurance lifecycle. As an example, Velocity Digital Suite enhances customer servicing through advanced use of analytics. Digital self-service offers persona-based experiences for key constituencies across the entire lifecycle. It provides a unified digital pane of glass, if you will, that interfaces with core administration as the system of record. And this is important because that core administration is now providing a common way of managing business rules and policies that are defined once and then enforced across all digital interactions and channels consistently. Velocity Digital also supports multiple channels and devices, leveraging a fully responsive, adaptive, and accessible design which supports browsers, tablets, and mobile devices today. And to enable omni-channel experiences, Velocity Digital supports different interaction modes, from self-service to assisted service to delegated mode, where you are leveraging call center integration. By infusing analytics into digital interactions, Velocity Digital is paving the path for hyper-personalization. And this is to enable real-time tailoring of offerings, content, and customer experiences, again, across every digital interaction or channel. And by leveraging analytics, AI, ML, and natural language servicing, we can now expand Digital Suite with a series of persona-based digital assistants that are, again, serving various personas across the lifecycle. With all of this delivered as a 24/7 cloud-native and multi-tenanted solution. Velocity's data lake is another key component of our analytical offerings, which is used to enable dynamic data access. The key problems that are addressed by Velocity Data Lake is the fact that most insurers still are dealing with static, batch-oriented data aggregation methods. The fact that insurers' data access is typically through partial and fixed data sets, which really limits visibility, and difficulty to trigger real-time actions in response to the insights that are gained. So our solution, Velocity Data Lake, is leveraging big data processing technologies to provide real-time streaming of core administration data, digital interaction data, as well as a wide range of other third-party data feeds and data sources. So the end result is operational views that are delivered in real time, that are fully actionable, enable real-time decisioning, and provide dynamic visualization across the insurance lifecycle. Velocity's analytics as a service supports several use cases that you see listed here. First, providing persona-based analytical dashboards for key constituencies and functions, claim servicing, broker management, customer servicing, underwriting, small group management and underwriting, and several others. Next is combining analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning services to drive straight-through processing, to drive personalization of content, to make recommendations of new products and new services to various personas that are interfacing with the insurer. Using analytics, AI, ML, and natural language processing to offer persona-based digital assistance. Again, to automate the key activities, not for employees, for employers, for brokers. This is, you can think of it as robotic process automation that is automating common activities that users engage with. And lastly, providing a data marketplace for ingesting public and private data feeds. And again, this is important because we realize that insurers have other data that needs to be streamed into the data lake and be correlated with other information that's available on Velocity Data Lake. And this allows us to augment the transactional data that we have with other key third-party data sources. And this will drive decisioning, it will drive straight-through processing, and again, let us personalize experiences for every user in the lifecycle. Here you see an example of Velocity's claims analytics dashboard. This dashboard visualizes analytical insights derived from the data lake, but focus on customer satisfaction, workload management, staff performance, and overall claims payment analysis and claims financial. It provides detailed KPIs across the claim processing lifecycle and stages. You can look at response time. You can look at caseload distribution across analysts and adjusters, examine financial KPIs, again, associated with the claims, and many more. And for another example here, we have a broker analytics dashboard. And this dashboard brings analytical insight from the data lake focused on premium actuals and forecast, renewals, and overall case count distribution. You can see KPIs here for premium by product and lives, case counts by product and lives. Looking at renewals month over month, quarter over quarter, year over year, case details, and again, many more KPIs that can all be visually configured. So all of these analytical dashboards that you see here are visually composed in a low-code, no-code environment, so that business analysts and system analysts cannot take the widgets that are bound to critical information inside the corporate boundaries or third-party data sources that are outside and bring all of that together in a cohesive way and allow that business analyst to compose and stitch these widgets together to create these really dynamic views and experiences. In conclusion, I want to leave you with Gartner's 3 core requirements to be an intelligent insurer, namely enabling intelligence, applying intelligence, and powering the broader ecosystem. With our continuous advancements in analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, Vitech is fully committed to helping insurers unleash the value of analytical insight throughout the insurance ecosystem. Thank you for your time today. Please do not hesitate to contact me. Might you have any questions? And again, thank you so much for your time.